Hello everyone, welcome to History Drill daily at 8 p.m. by Warriors Creed. Before starting, I want to inform you about Warriors Creed Intellectual Scholarship Exam, which is going to be conducted on October 17 at 11 a.m. So, those who are achieving to get 100% scholarship in NDA CTS FCAT preparation, do enroll yourself in WISE exam. So, in today's history drill, we are actually talking about the famous leaders, actually the famous rulers, and the famous rulers of the time in the world. So, but if we are first talking about Adolf Hitler, an Austrian-born German politician who leaders of the Nazi Party. He was Chancellor of Germany from 1933 to 45 and the leader of Nizami Germany. He was the very cruel person, very cruel reader. Many of the Nizam Germany is considered, and Hitler was at the center of the World War II in the Europe. Hitler decorated veteran of World War One. He joined German Workers' Party in 1919 and became the leader of NSDAP in 1921. He also, in less than 2 days later, the two committed suicide to avoid the capture by Red Army, and their buried corpses were burnt. Alexander the Great. Alexander the Great was a king of the ancient Greek kingdom of Macedon and a member of the Ingrid dynasty. He born in Pella in 356 BC and he spent most of his ruling year on the unprecedented military campaign through Asia and northeastern Africa. Until by the age of 30, he had created one of the largest empire of the ancient world and stretching from Greece to Egypt. Matlab, itna, you can consider that it was so huge. The empire was so greatly extended. Into the northwestern India. He was defeated in a battle and it's considered as one of the history's most successful military commander. So Alexander the Great was considered as the successful military commander. Next, the Queen Elizabeth I. Queen Elizabeth I, the famous in a British conquest also in India. Elizabeth I was the Queen of England and Ireland from November 17, 1558 until her death. The childless Elizabeth was the fifth and the last monarch of the Tudor dynasty. Elizabeth was the daughter of Henry VIII by the second wife, Anne Boleyn. Anne's marriage to Henry VIII was annulled and Elizabeth was declared illegitimate. In 1558, Elizabeth succeeded her half sister to the throne and set out to rule by the good counsel. Elizabeth's reign is known as Elizabethan era. Akbar Abul Fath Jalaluddin Muhammad Akbar, known popularly as Akbar, was Mughal emperor from 1556 until his death. He was third and one of the greatest ruler of the Mughal dynasty in India. Akbar succeeded his father Humayun under a regent Behram Khan, who helped the young emperor expand and consolidate Mughal domain. Behram Khan actually helped Akbar. Why? Because he was little when he adapted the empire. So Mughal domain in India was majorly under Akbar, and Akbar born in 15 October 1542 and he died in 27th October 1605. His power and influence extended over entire country and based on Mughal military, political, cultural, economic dominance. Akbar's marriage with the Hindu prince Heer Kunwari Harkha Bai, popularly known as Jodha Bai, produced important positive effect on both on his personal rule of life and his public policy. Why he married to Jodha Bai is that he wanted to show the acceptance of religion. He was also known as Akbar's first and last love, who Jodha Bai. Genghis Khan, the last ruler which we are talking about, the famous king we are covering in today's session. So he's the last king which we are talking about in our history drill. It's Genghis Khan, born in Temujin, likely in year 1162, and he died in 18th August 1227. Great Khan of the Mongol Empire and became the largest contiguous empire in the history after his demise. He came to the power by uniting many of the nomadic tribes of northeastern Asia. After founding the Mongol Empire and being proclaimed Genghis Khan, he started Mongol invasion, and these invasions we can also see in India so many times. Before Genghis Khan died, assigned Ogedai Khan as his successor and split his empire into Khanats among his son and grandson. He then lastly died in 1227 after defeating Western Zia. So that's all for today's history drill, which we conduct at every daily at 8 p.m. So that's all for history drill and have a nice day. But before ending, I would like to suggest you to kindly attempt for the Wise Scholar examination if you want to achieve 100% scholarship for NDA CDS FCAT 2020 preparation. Thank you and have a nice day.